In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature in Canva. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an email signature in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional signature you can use across your emails to reinforce your brand and make your messages look polished. First, open Canva. On the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type Email Signature. You'll see a variety of ready-made designs that are already sized appropriately, which saves time and ensures a consistent result. Pick any template that suits your style, or if you prefer full control, open a blank email signature size to build your design from scratch. A simple, uncluttered layout usually works best, especially for readability on different devices. Next, edit the text so it reflects your details. Replace the placeholder name with your own, add your job title, and include your email, phone number, and website. Keep the information concise and scannable. Aim for a clear hierarchy. Name first, title second, then your contact details. Shorter lines read better, so avoid long taglines or extra quotes that can make the signature look busy. If you have a logo or a professional headshot, add it now by uploading your image. Click Upload, select your file, and place it within the design. Make sure it's high quality and visually balanced with the text. A small, well-aligned logo or a neatly cropped photo can add credibility without overwhelming the layout. Keep margins even, so nothing feels squeezed. Now adjust the fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Choose one primary font and, if needed, a secondary font for contrast. Use your brand colors, but maintain strong contrast so the text remains easy to read. Fine-tune letter spacing, line height, and alignment to keep everything neat. The goal is a compact horizontal design that looks great both on desktop and mobile. Before exporting, make sure all elements fit cleanly in one horizontal layout. Nothing should extend off the canvas or sit too close to the edges. When everything looks right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the format, and increase the size for better quality, so the text and logo look crisp in your email client. Finally, click Download to save your email signature. And that's how you create an email signature in Canva. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.